You might even have seen one before, but what exactly is a photo mosaic? Actually, it's quite simple. A photo mosaic is a large image that's made up of lots of tiny photos. The closer you look at the photo mosaic, the more photos you'll see. There can be thousands of these little pictures on a large mosaic, and all of those pictures put together make up the large image. How can you make a photo mosaic? You might even have seen one before, but how exactly do you make a photo mosaic? Just grab your computer and head to the www.fotomosaic-erstellen.de website. First, pick out your favorite photo and upload it as the main image. In the end result, this is the photo that will appear large in the mosaic. Then upload your individual photos. You can upload up to 1,000 of these. The more, the better. And now we get to work. We create a mosaic from your photos. It takes just a few hours and is always free of charge. Now's the exciting part for you. As soon as we are done, we'll send you a preview by email, so you can have a good look at your mosaic picture. If you are happy with your mosaic, you can then have it printed as a poster, on canvas, or on glass. Now you have to wait a little while again before 2 or 3 days later your doorbell rings and your finished mosaic arrives.